Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkulisoko. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. I-legendary goalkeeper lo bevimba laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs uSihlodi, if ngisisho kahle isibongo sakhe bafethu, I don't wanna butcher it. Uthi noma ungaletha bapho coach, best coaches in the world, indaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs ayikho, baleka izinto eziningi, but ithi singene ku-quote yakhe siyi-understand-e kahle and then siyi-dissect-e siyichaze kahle. Uthi before sikhuluma ngama-coach asikhulume ngama-player. Uthi-ke ungaletha abo-coach abawu-20 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, even some of the best coaches in the world, but ama-results ngeke a-change. Uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ileka ama-good footballers, kusho ukuthi i-quality yama-player laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ayikho right. Uthi yiyo inkinga laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi ama-coach awawini ama-game, ama-player awina ama-game. Uthi i-coach nje into eyenzayo ukukunika i-direction, but-ke kusho ukuthi laphana egrawundini ama-player kumele akunike ama-results. Uthi impumputhe noma ngithi umuntu ongaboni ngeke akwazi ukulida isizwe, ngoba isizwe sizofeyila because of lo muntu lo akaboni lutho. Uthi ucabanga uthi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs abanawo ama-good leaders ukuthi a-address-e izinto ezenzakalayo laphana. Uthi wonke umuntu uyabona ukuthi i-problem ikuphi laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but akekho umuntu ofuna ukuyilungisa leyo nkinga. Umbuzo ukuthi why i-Kaizer Chiefs ingakwazi ukuyilungisa inkinga la ekhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall bafethu. I mean, yeah, this is very interesting uma ubheka i-statement sakhe. Umfethu uyayithanda i-Kaizer Chiefs, ubaba, ngithi ngisho ubaba noma umkhulu uyayithanda i-Kaizer Chiefs. Umuntu oyi-record, ubeka i-record holder in terms of ama-clean sheets laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So uyali-understand ibhola. I mean menze i-example nje ukuthi even o-coach abafana no-Pitso Mosimane noma bangafika ku-Kaizer Chiefs but ngeke ba-survive because of inkinga according to yena bafethu i-deep laphana. Akayifunanga ukuyisho direct, kusho ukuthi inkinga ilapha kuMtaung family, kuma-leadership structures laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs overall, inkinga ilapho. Uthi uKaizer Motaung Junior, so I'm just paraphrasing ukuthi bekathini ubaba la. So i-legend liyakhuluma bafowethu. I mean methi i-Kaizer Chiefs ileka ama-good footballers ukuthi ayinawo ama-good footballers angakwazi ukuwina ama-matches. I mean masibheka overall njengoba ngishilo ukuthi i-direct shot ukuthi uMtaung family ayikwazi ukulida or labantu abasha laba abancane okumele balide because i-club bayibhildile, but for manje I mean according to ama-critics bayi-reason futhi oMtaung laba abancane ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ingasukumi iyele phezulu. I mean obviously-ke ulona uBanks bafethu lo okhulumayo i-legend laphana le-Kaizer Chiefs akusiyo elinye iplayer nje, but-ke ukhipha ohlonishwa kakhulu ku-Kaizer Chiefs kuma-glory days we-Kaizer Chiefs, ku-peak of i-Kaizer Chiefs naye bekhona laphana kudala uma baqala ukuwina amakhaphu. Ubone i-Kaizer Chiefs from ngabo-1970 bafethu to manje ayibone i-Kaizer Chiefs and uyayazi and uya-understand i-culture ye-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi ibuyaphi nanokuthi i-achieveni overall. So basically njengoba ngithi noma ungaletha best coaches in the world, kusho ukuthi noma ngabe letha uPep noma ungaletha uJose Mourinho kuyafana nje, noma kuthiwa baletha lese uPitso Mosimane kuyafana unless balungisa iy'nkinga bona zabo, and then maybe they can start looking for a coach. O-coach u-Kaizer Chiefs siyazi ukuthi they come and go bafethu. For the past 9 years or so kube naba-coach abaningi kabi. Most recently-ke u-Coach Nabi naye uhambile ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but u-Coach Nabi bekuney'nkinga ey'ningi zakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Singazi ukuthi bebangasamfuni babheka nje izinto ezincane ukuthi bamxoshe or kanjani, but yeah, I mean o-Gavin Hunt bahamba, uSteve Komphela, but uSteve Komphela wanikwa ithuba. U-Baxter for mina I think i-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs bengicabanga ukuthi lizokwazi ngempela ukushintsha izinto, but-ke u-coach lo beka-serious ngempela bafowethu, ukwazile ukudiliva ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Even i-return yakhe obviously it was not smooth, but guess what, badinga u-coach ozoba ne-authority. U-Arthur Zwane ingane vele laphana eklabhini, but naye was eaten alive laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs by i-pressure. Bamzama noNtseki, short-lived bafethu, easily forgotten. So kunzima kakhulu ukuthi bakhiphe abo-coach, even manje banawo co-coaches abawu-2. I don't think there's a trust kulabo coach abakhona ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke we just have to wait and see ukuthi bazophumelela or ngeke baphumelele. I mean ama-patterns every time siyawabona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bazo-create ama-chance, but-ke baluze. Ama-fans-ke avele athi mxosheni lo coach ayikho indaba yakhe, but-ke kusho ukuthi i-challenge akusiwo coach, yabo njengoba asho ubaba la ukuthi challenge akusiwo u-coach noma ungaletha abaphi o-coach ngeke ba-succeed. Kusho ukuthi kumele ba-change ama-football players laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs basayine ama-quality players, hhayi ama-quantity players just uku-add amanamba. I mean if une-strike eziyi-2, eziyi-3 ezi-good awudingi uku-add iy'strike eziyi-7. What we are seeing from i-Kaizer Chiefs manje kune-strike eziyi-8, angisho ukuthi ngeke ziwenze umsebenzi i-strike eziwu-8 laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Sobona ukuthi bona labantu laba aba-decide-ayo ukuthi kudlala obani akudlala ubani ukuthi bazokwenza izinto kanjani, nanokuthi bazodlala maphi ama-formation azobhenefitha ziphi iy'strike. I-Kaizer Chiefs siyazi ukuthi i-founder yakhona bafethu uKaizer Motaung, noma ngithi u-Sir noma u-Dr. Kaizer Motaung uyi-founder. Obviously is one of the most respected men ku-South African football overall. Ubhilde i-team e-strong kakhulu bafethu. But-ke isikhathi sakhe sesiphelile, but i-question ukuthi oBobby, oBabBobby no-Kaizer, lo Junior no-Jesse ukuthi bazokwazi na ukuthatha i-Kaizer Chiefs bayibeke esiqongweni njengoba ubababo wabhilda i-team e-strong ngempela ekwaziyo ukukhompyutha. I-team beyihlonishiwe e-South Africa yonke, but-ke manje izinto njengoba bengishilo bafethu ukuthi hayi azisafani ku-Kaizer Chiefs, sokunzima kakhulu. Ama-fans isikhathi esiningi bayasho ukuthi okay i-Kaizer Chiefs bayirana njenge-family business instead ukuthi bayirane njenge-modern football, club njengamanye ama-club. Ama-decisions wabo ayi-emotionally, i-strategy asikho. I mean maybe it's based on i-loyalty than i-performance overall, because khona ama-player ku-Kaizer Chiefs abahlala isikhathi eside. Lo muntu ubona ukuthi bekumele ngabe kudala bamhambisa umuntu wakhona, but guess what, usahleli laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So if njengoba thi akekho u-coach noma kuthiwa umuphi u-coach ozofika ongeke a-change izinto, so kusho ukuthi inkinga-ke ile phezulu bafethu ku-management. Yibo kumele kuqashwe o-sporting director abanye, kumele kuqashwe obani bani kuma-department amanye ukuthi abantu basebenze because of i-accountability from abantwana baka-Dr. Kaizer Motaung ayikho. Noma i-Kaizer Chiefs ingenza kanjani, they'll keep firing coaches, bona bayahlala and then baqhubeke ngama-decision making. Maybe they need to step aside, bathole abantu abazi ukuthi baqashiwe o-sporting director obani bani, and then bazi ukuthi baqashiwe kumele ba-deliver ama-results. Uma bangakwenzi-ke lokho, then they get fired. So they can't fire themselves. Imagine usebenzela ibhizinisi yakini or kababakho or kama wakho or kabani, akekho umuntu ozokuxosha overall, uyohlala until unomphela kuyoze kubuye uJesu. So maybe ukuthi i-leadership i-comfortable iyazi ukuthi ayiyindawo, izinto nje kumele y'lungiswe. Beba-heavily linked with uPitso Mosimane. Abanye abantu bebathi hey mhlawumbe uPitso uzoza since ucoach nabo bam-announce-ile ukuthi uyahamba, then bona bazi-announce-ele ukuthi ama-assistant coach wabo awu-2 yiwo lawa azobamba iy'ntambo until kuphela isizini, which is a big task for bona ama-assistant coach because abakaze like baba-formidable in terms of ukuba ama-head coaches overall. But sithembe ukuthi akukho ukuthemba kahle kahle vele. uBobby uke washo ukuthi i-family business eyakubo, so uzothini ngempela. Ingakho ngeke bakwazi ukuba no-coach o-powerful, u-coach uzothathela iy'nqumo zakhe because nabo bafuna ukufaka isandla izinto ezinjalo. But sobona ukuthi izophelela lapho indaba ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like ni-subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page liyakhula.